Perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, what's up? This is Andre J. McClendon. Welcome to Andre J. McClendon's show. You guys are in tune for the weekly news wrap up, and let's jump right on to this. It is coming out a little late, but we get to see the new updates for crypto. So let's jump on in. We're on investing.com, and the first one is going to be S&P 500. Like I was saying in other previous videos and the weekly wrap up, you can see that the S&P 500 broke through its previous highs, and my short-term projection obviously is going to be higher, and it might do a correction down, but still going higher. But I see it all the way back down here. I think the whole stock market, especially the U.S. stock market, is all propped up with phony money. Fake, cheap, easy money, and it's definitely going to go lower. Our next one is going to be the Nasdaq. Let's jump into that. Broke through its high. I also see this one short-term higher, but also much lower. I don't know when, but I know it's going to be coming very soon, and I'm going to hedge myself properly for that. And we got the Dow. Dow is almost there, about to break through, and we'll see when the Dow does break through. It might do a small correction down and pop right back on through. But overall, you know, you hear like Harry Dent's number, that's where I'm heading for Dow too. Now, gold has been getting beat up before early in the week, and now at the end of the week, look at that massive move up. So I caught that in the silver and gold, and if you guys want to find out more, obviously go to andrejmcclendon.com, and you can see how we got that trade. It's a pretty easy one. And this one right here, this kind of got me beat up a little bit because of the swaps and paying the fees every day, but it went down, got the other buy, and hit that long, and it should hopefully silver head up higher. But since gold is one of the leaders, if gold heads down, silver usually heads down, almost always heads down. And I think silver is going to get smashed if it does to the 14 down level. If it does hit that level, it will be a whole bunch of physical buying and a lot of forex buying too. But if it holds this level, you definitely can see it hitting back to the 1530 level, and so and so. You know, the banks won't let gold and silver get too high. And now oil on the daily, oil's been not punished. I mean, it's just a small correction, and this overall trend up. It might head down a little bit lower. We shall see. What I like trend about oil, there's no long-term swaps, there's no long fees. It's actually pretty easy to trade. I've been trading it since down here, and it's been doing really good. Now, Litecoin. The reason why I like bringing up Litecoin, I think Litecoin is one of the best ones to trade because percentage-wise, it makes a whole big gain. But it's almost taking almost a 40% loss off of its high from here, and I think it's definitely going to hit this $60 flat level, and then probably bounce up to the high. If it might break down, and I don't know. I just tell you, like, it's hard to predict crypto. Crypto can be pushed around by a lot of companies or a lot of banks, and you know, really wreck people. So I just tell you, like, you just gotta figure out where's your risk tolerance at. Mine, that's, you know, I got kind of better at it. It's 0.05% now to 1, maybe 3% at most, depending on the long-term trade. But no more than that. So don't risk too much trading crypto. I know crypto has some good gains. Just don't want to take the big painful losses. Bitcoin on the daily, you know, takes a little bit of big hit right here, but it's obviously recovering. It's definitely going to break through. I actually see it definitely hitting the 6,400 level, 6,500 easily. And this is something I really want to go into is brokers. Make sure you get the right broker. If you think you're spending too much on trades, like commissions, or they don't have all the markets you want, you know, find different brokers. You can click forex brokers, you can click cryptocurrency brokers. You can do a broker search just to find out which company is best for you. Also, let's see. You can do cryptocurrency more. You can just find out whatever is suiting you to increase your trading or having more things available. Now, I know they have a search option on here. I just gotta find it. But basically, you can search through and click through which broker you guys like. All right. And our next one is the news. So next week, it's, you know, Deadly Friday. Watch out for Friday. Watch out for Friday. Non-farm payroll unemployment rates. U.S. is going to be very, very. The dollar is going to be heavy. Same thing for pound on Thursday. Same thing for Wednesday. Now yen. So out here in Japan, the yen is going to be closed down for most of the week. Get a lot of holidays. A lot of holiday time. Yen is going to be. I would relax on that and watch out for the dollar. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Please drop a comment about some of the charts. What do you guys think the Dow's going to be going into with the indices? And let's wait for my next video. The next video will be a post on the business interview I did at a beauty salon. A lot of fun and some good information. So you guys, if you're in the beauty industry and you want to find out more how to get into it, the next video will be very, very helpful. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. See ya.